Happy Easter, beauties! Hope you are all having a nice day off on Good Friday. With Easter coming up, I will try my best on the Easter Bunny makeup tutorial. I will be wearing a pink colored lens for the pink eye of the bunnies. Apply a decent amount of the Etude House Glow on Hydra base. Pat to help your skin absorb all the moisture. I could get used to this moist skin. Since I've got super dry lips, I will apply some lip mask from Laneige before the makeup. I will apply Dr. Jart the Makeup Fixation Foundation No. 1 Pink Light for a fairly skin tone with a brush. Then gently blend it out with a Eyebrow Skinny Fix blender. Soak with the water to blend it out, the slight brush mark. And for the skin to look a bit more dewy. Then I will use the Clio Kill Cover Liquid Concealer to hide my dark circle. Also on the red patches around the nose and the chin. After apply a bit on each spot, time to blend. On top of that, I will use the Saem Cover Perfection Ideal Concealer Duo Stick type to hiding the small blemish. I try my best to perfect my skin. How's that compared to before? Onto the eyebrows. With Peripera Speedy Eyebrow, No. 2 Gray Brown. I will draw up the guideline first, and then very gently fill up the inside where it's empty. A short eyebrow with a soft arch would be best for this makeup. An obsession to blending is always a must for the natural look. I will be using the Etude House Cherry Blossom Eye Palette. Using this matte peach pink shade, apply on the whole eyelid. And for the round eye shape, we will apply a bit more colors on the center of the lid. Also, on the underlash line at the tail of the eye. Again, on the center of the eyelid, apply a stronger shade of the pink to emphasize the round eye. Mixing up the deep rosy plus chocolate brown shade. I will blending them out on the center, close to the eye line, then on the front and the tail of the eyes. With the chocolate brown shade, we will re-emphasize the eye line, right on the top of the pupil. I will use the pink shade used before, on the eyebrow only very slightly. With the Tony Moly Backstage Gel Eyeliner Brown, fill up the whole waterline for Bunny's defined eye shape. Fill up in between the eyelash. Don't give it a huge wing, just a teensy weensy bit. Additionally, again for the cute curved eye shape, I'm using the eyeliner just on the top of the pupil. Let's add it on some highlight on the eyes. On the front of the eyes and on the underlash line as well. Now the lashes. With the Aritam Kai eyelash color, give it a massive pinch once and twice. With the Etude House Lash Balm Color Fix Mascara Black, we will extend out the lashes. Overall, careful not to make a lump, and apply evenly. Add another layer for the longer lash with extra volume. Fill in the under lash line with the Clio pencil eyeliner used before. For the tail until the center of the eyes. I will shape the face nose to lip line like a bunny. Shape the tip of the nose smaller. Landing down to lip, make a fine thin line. Looking like a bunny? With a Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin Contour Palette, we shall begin the main contour. Creation of the jewel line happening right here, right now. Pink bunny lip with a pink lip tint. Using Peripera's Sugar Glow No. 3 Pink Melon. Blend, blend, blend. And lift up the end of the lip for the smiling face. Let's now clean this up a little bit and help shaping the bunny face. With a concealer, clean up and define the brows. And also around the lips. Only so slightly highlighting the tip of the nose, upper lip, chin, and forehead. Finally, very last step. To match the tone with the lip colors, quickly dab the Sugar Glow tint No. 3 on your cheek. And quickly blend before the dab stains. So, here we have the East Bunny look completed. The key point of this makeup would be the base soft skin, cute round bunny eyes, and the overall pink tone of the eyes, lip, and cheeks. I hope everyone enjoyed their relaxing holiday with friends and family. Happy Easter, beauties! Just saying, while you're taking break, why not check out HIKOCO's Easter sale?
완전 좋아, 완전 좋아. 됐다. 안 아파요? 뒤집어진 거 아니에요? 아파?